judges and everybody. Thank you very much for all the patience and cooperating with us. First and foremost, I once again request all the judges to come and occupy your dais. And I request the director of school, Mr. Srikanth Reddy Garu, to come and occupy the dais. Please. Mr. Rajesh, Administrative Officer. We have started around 10:30, and judges have gone across all the exhibits. And your expression was
So first of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants who are nothing but the budding scientists. Actually, all are winners, but we are bound to declare prizes according to the criteria and according to the groups they have divided into. And I don't want to talk much because all are awaiting to know the results and who are the winners, and they may be in attention that whether they got or not. But getting prize is not that important. Participation is more than enough, because it is the first step to get more and more success and more achievements in the life. And you are all aware of what is science. Science is nothing but a word which is taken from Latin, meaning that it is knowledge. And if you share knowledge, it will be multiplied, right? And if you know much more and more, it will be very helpful to you as well as to the society. Because science is nothing but testable explanation. So all of you have given explanation which is having where you have tested, experimentally you have tested, and what you have tested, that is explained to us in a beautiful manner. In that, no child is in the second position, all are in the first position itself, according to my conclusion. And second thing is, science is nothing but exploring the possibilities of all our daily life. So exploring, that means knowing or multiplying, or whatever meaning you have taken, you take. So what we are having in our daily life, or what troubles we face, or in which way we can have more and more facilities in our life, and in which way we are more helpful to the society. Everything is required. So that is nothing but science, whether we are able to apply it to our daily lives. So exploring the possibilities in our daily life. So with this, I would like to conclude. And I appreciate all the participants, and I appreciate all their ideas. They are very constructive. And you are not only the budding scientist, you add technology to the science, so you will become a future technocrat. So I thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you.
A part of this program. And once again, I remember my childhood days, where I used to attend science exhibitions a lot. And I remember my childhood days and my school days. So all the participants are very enthusiastic, and they tried well to explain all that they have brought, and some of them are very innovative and thought-provoking, and I am really glad and very happy to be a part of this GE program. And I think you can extend this program to government schools also. There is a lot of talent in those rural school children, so you can cover those schools also, and you can bring up the ideas in them. So not only in the towns and cities, you can cover the rural area also, so that they can be encouraged. So, thank all the participants and their parents who have come all the way from faraway places. So, you take all the pains to prepare your children for this science exhibition. So, I appreciate all the parents and teachers who encourage all their students to take part in programs like this. So, thank you very much.
Director of Kennedy Educational and AO of Kennedy School, and my co-JTS, Mary Junita, Kamala, and my dear children and parents. It's a very good evening. So it is a very good program conducted by Brain Cave. So it is a collaboration with G-Land and Getec company. It is a Germany company. So, Japan company. Really, it is a very good program. I saw so many projects. Some of the projects are very good, not very good, outstanding. So, thank you very much to participants and G-Land staff to believe as one of judge. Thank you very much. So, I congratulate all of you participants. Thank you.
I feel happy to have hosted this Brain Cafe Budding Scientist contest. In fact, we have not extended much of the support. I mean, Brain Cafe people have done everything. We have given very minimal support, but as a team, they are very good and big enough to have conducted this very smoothly without much support from us. Congratulate all the participants who have come all the way from Kakinada, Chittoor and all other places. As I see many equal number of students, parents and teachers, I'd like to remind you all about one real incident which is a good lesson for all of us. How many of you know Tilly Smith? Tilly Smith antmadi telusu? Tsunami antmadi telusu? You all know tsunami, right? Tilly Smith is a 11-year-old in 2005 tsunami vachinappudu. She was with her parents in a beach in Thailand for a holiday. Maikao అనే ఒక beach లో ఉంది. So just 2 weeks before she went on that holiday, she had a geography lesson. A wonderful teacher who explained about tsunami. What are the after effects and what are the before effects of tsunami. ఆ బీచ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు waves recede అయిపోవడం, the bubbles and all. She immediately told her parents that something tsunami is going to happen here. వెంటనే వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ రిసార్ట్ వాళ్ళని అక్కడ ఉన్న సెక్యూరిటీ వాళ్ళని అందరిని అలర్ట్ చేశారు. సో ఇట్ వాస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద వెరీ ఫ్యూ బీచెస్ వేర్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో క్యాజువాలిటీ. ఎవరు చనిపోలేదు. షీ హస్ హెల్ప్ మోర్ దెన్ 100 people survive. లేకపోతే ఆ రోజు అందరూ అక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ చనిపోయి ఉండేవాళ్ళు ఆ సునామీలో. So we have done very good experiments, right? So you should all ensure that while you grow, at least some of these experiments, practicality చూడండి. Ensure that these things would be very much useful for the society. అలానే మీరు నేర్చుకునే, it's not only the science or geography or something else, whatever you learn it for the society, learn it for your practical use. దీనివల్ల ఏముందని చూడండి. That's a very good example at Tilly Smith. సో అదే మన పేరెంట్స్, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న పేరెంట్స్ అందరిని కూడా అప్రిషియేట్ చేయాలి. స్టూడెంట్స్ని ఇక్కడ దాకా పంపించారు. చాలా మంది పేరెంట్స్ ఏమో ఒక చిన్న ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్కి అంత దూరం పంపించాలి అనుకుంటుంటాం. నేను చూస్తూ ఉంటాను. సో సో ఎందుకంటే ఆ రోజు నా పేరెంట్స్ మనం అలానే బీచ్లో మన పిల్లవాడు 5th క్లాస్ 6th క్లాస్ పాప మనకు చెప్తే ఏమో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నావు మనం కొట్టి పారేస్తాం. సో ఆ పేరెంట్స్ వెంటనే వాళ్ళ చైల్డ్ చెప్పింది విని వెంటనే వాళ్ళని అలర్ట్ చేయడం. సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్. మనం యాజ్ అ పేరెంట్ ఆల్సో వీ షుడ్ లెర్న్ ఫ్రమ్ ద చైల్డ్, వీ షుడ్ లిసన్ టు దెమ్. అట్లానే టీచర్ అంత బాగా టీచ్ చేసి తనకి అంత లైవ్లీగా చెప్పకపోతే ప్రాబ్లీ ఆ పాపకి ఆ రోజు నా థాట్ వచ్చిండేది కాదేమో, ఈ రోజు మనం దాని గురించి మాట్లాడుకోవాల్సిన పరిస్థితి ఉండేది కాదు. సో ఇట్స్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ లర్నింగ్ అండ్ పుట్టింగ్ ఇట్ టు యూస్ in our practical life. Once again, I congratulate all of you here. I hope you enjoyed today. So I am very happy. I thank the organizers for giving us this opportunity. Thank you all.
What is having, you can just very easily we can believe that the child who is learning in this school or who are attending really will be enjoying a great scientific atmosphere in this school. Thank you very much, sir.
It's on, sir.
Want to share some ideas about the event. Please, I request her to on the desk and just have share her feelings.
So the present teaching system where the child just goes on reading, mugging up and just go through the exam, get a grade and just enter into a engineering profession or doctor profession and lead a monotonous life. But in this system, like where the child's creativity and the child will have only if the child has an idea and if the parent or the teacher just adds little science and technology to it, it becomes an invention. So it's a great thing about it is, and they are conducting camps like brain cafe camps, robotic camps everywhere, not only in the cities and the towns, but going to smaller places and maintaining the uniform educational system. If in future more and more schools and implement this system, so we create more and more scientists. So I congratulate all the children who have participated and for their excellent work. Conduct this contest and make at this bad weather and making it a grand success. Thank you.
Creative way, not in the normal way. Because everyone are going, we are also going. It will become normal. So something should be innovativeness then. The recognition and representation of each and everyone will come. Because we are struggling our life. So everything is going in scientific development is going on. So where we are and what is our position in this? Everyone should check and justify ourselves. So being a teacher, I request my all colleagues to your all works with the kids are extraordinary and excellent, but a bit better. Next time when we all meet.
And of course, somebody has to be selected. And I thought they will be having their own criteria of selection. Then I got selected. So let me start from the category B.
My teachers and my model was on magnetic induction and my
Chidam Master. Pavani, I request you to speak few words regarding how did you feel the
From Guntur, I feel very happy to that.
Okay.
Good evening to all. I didn't accept that I win this prize in this brain cafe budding scientist competition. Every time I didn't get prize, I am thinking about the prize in my childhood. But today I get this prize. That's why I am very happy. Thank you.
Coaches and my dear participants, good evening to one and all. I am very happy that I got the consolation prize in the Budding Scientist contest. I was encouraged a lot by my parents and especially my coach Prashant sir.
Vidya Vihar School from Nellore, Vedavyasa Vidya Niketan Puttur, Modern Stellar School Chilakalurpeta, Gitanjali English Medium School Vinukonda, Sri Sai Public School Elur, Little Class Math School Ravulapalam, Modern High School Ramachandrapuram, Shirdi Sai Vidya Niketan Rajamandri, Little Woods School Kakinada, Ravindra Bharati School Tenali 1 first branch, Ravindra Bharati School Tenali 2nd branch, Ravindra Bharati School Mangalgiri. I thank each and every school who participated in this contest. And dear ladies and gentlemen, judges on the dais, guests, management of this school, very good evening, and I feel it honored here, standing here. And first I would like to thank the correspondent of Kennedy School,